Sytel Real-time Automation, SRA. Simulation 4. SRA assigns agents as the shift progresses to serve where they are most needed and achieves the best possible service levels across all inbound queues, even with agent shortages or call spikes, all without the need for human intervention. This is a video of a contact center dashboard showing 30 minutes of simulated activity compressed into 90 seconds. As the video starts, we see agents already dealing with a backlog. The number of customers waiting starts to build, followed by an increase in volume for all queues. Agents are automatically assigned to queues currently with the poorest service level. As the service level drops rapidly, more agents are assigned, and the same happens here. The queues with the poorest SLA receive what agent resources are available, while queues with many customers waiting only receive agents when those with poorer SLAs are improved.